so Tableau definitely is a leading data visualization tool and used for data analysis and business intelligence. And why we use like visual, basically why visualization is very important or very needful in data for a data analyst. The reason is, if let's say the very first question is what is data? Like what is data? How we get data and what is data? So can you just give me answer like what is data? What do you think according to you? Data is nothing but collection of information. Okay, we'll
Yeah.
end up getting maybe data in the form of anything. We can end up getting data in the form of anything. Maybe in tabular form, as you told me. Maybe images. Even images is a data, correct? Voice
Yeah.
recording is a data. Video is
Yeah.
data. Each and everything is a data. So you end up getting data in a meshed form, mostly in tabular form. But basically, we are going to use data in the form of tabular form only. Like we can use Excel, SQL. SQL is tabular form structured data. We will get from SQL. Again, same with Excel. So this is data, and according to data, let's say in real life we end up getting data of maybe lakhs row, multiple rows. Like let's talk about lakh row or million row. Okay, so what will be the greatest possibility if I told you in the form of Excel, just simple. Okay, so I'll want you to fetch top 10 rows or top 10 person, the data of data person who gave me sales, great profit, like better sales. So is it possible to fetch top 10 uh, data, top 10 rows of that particular person who are giving me sales, who are giving me basically profit? Is it possible using tabular form? Page is all about. So here in this section, you will see connect. So you can connect different maybe files. If you have in any form, maybe we have in Excel form, then we can connect using Excel. If we have in CSV form, CSV form is nothing but comma separated value file. Okay, so we'll have this option also. We have JSON file also, a Microsoft Excel, PDF file. Even if you have a PDF file, we can connect using PDF file also. And this is some statistical file. So here we are getting, less options. Why? Because we are using what? Tableau Public. Okay, if you use Tableau Desktop, you will see another option. So maybe, so you'll end up getting lots and lots of options in even file. So you can even connect your Tableau with data sets, database. So to the server, like directly using the Drive, Google Drive, or directly using IBM DB2. One second. Okay, so here a lot of servers are available. Currently in this Tableau Public, we have only two servers like Google Drive, OData, and Web Data Connector. But in terms of real data, okay, in terms of real data, real Tableau as in what? Tableau Public, where we use in industry, will end up getting lots and lots of option where to connect with the server. Okay, this is all about this section of Tableau. Let's talk about this section, what we have in this section. So we have Discover, like even Tableau created many videos. If you wanted to learn more and more about Tableau on specific detail, so you will have this Tableau video section also, which is here available here. Create a graph segment wise, maybe segment wise sales. Okay, so I need to pick and drag. Another option is I can just go to or go on the segment or double click on it, so it will automatically get picked. Okay, now I just what double click on segment, it will automatically go where it deserve, where it needs to go, right? In row section. This is nothing but what dimension. And let's say sales, I wanted to find out now sales. So I need to, again double click on it. It will automatically get picked. And then here I'm getting what? A tabular form data. If I wanted to create some, bar graph or something different,
out of it. So I need to go into show me, and you can clearly see there are some graphs are which are active and some are inactive. Graph for this kind of data, it those all graph will get active, and you can clearly see I can even use this graph, which is nothing but heat map. I can even use this highlighted table. It's going to add some color, and I can use this bar graph because it is also active, but I can't use this bar graph, this one side by side bar, because it is inactive. Why it is inactive? Because this graph need one or more dimension. Okay, like you can see this here, this part, read this part. Each and every graph need their own some kind of dimension and measures. Likewise, bar graph, horizontal bar graph currently we are using, they only need zero or more dimension, that is categorical column, or one or more measure. So best suitable graph for this kind of data, which is nothing but I think bar graph will be the best fit. So you can clearly see segment wise sales. So consumer segment is in terms of sales, consumer, uh, I'm getting more sales from consumer. Give the title to this. So I can do one thing. I just double click on sheet one, select all the things. Another box will pop up. So I need to just backspaces, and maybe it is nothing but what segment wise sales. Okay, I'll give this the whole graph will title, and if I wanted to use another font, I can use the font. We can have multiple font options here. If I wanted to increase the size of this title, I can. If I wanted to bold it, I have to select it, and if I wanted to bold it, I can bold it. Even I can italic it, use a lot of things. If I wanted to in different color, I can use different color. Let's keep it that way only. And again, a lot of other these options are there. So I'm just bolding it, and it is nothing but segment wise sales. Okay,
Yes.
so my one graph is by is get correct, profit, and another is ship mode wise quantity.
Okay. And okay. So which one is giving me profit? Phone, copper, bookcases, chairs, and appliances. Those are top five. Yeah, from which I'm getting profit. Okay, and whatever I have done, look, I'm sorting everything. You can see na near profit, like just below. Look at this profit, and
Yes, ma'am.
here you have this option. Here you can sort out your data ascending. Again, click descending. If you once again click, it will get sorted the way it's supposed to be. Original ascending. So always sort your data into ascending. You can clearly see whether we are getting in the top five will display in top rows, and the bottom rows will consider as what? Bottom one. Okay, tables I'm getting negative profit. Uh, yeah, Baki, I think phone, copper, bookcases, chair, and appliances are doing fairly enough. Great, actually. Okay, now if I can write here, the another option is okay. I have only a sheet one or sheet two. Let's create sheet three also. Maybe ship mode wise quantity. Let's create it. So I wanted to double click on ship mode and then double click on the quantity. Again, I think bar will be the best fit, or you can use this one. Again, this one is not the best fit. Uh, you can even use pi for this. What about the bubble one? Even bubble one is little complex, so go for pi one. Go for bar. Sort it out. Standard class is the most used class in ship mode. And okay, I have now three sheet which is active. Okay, so while working, I might end up getting 10 or 12 or 15 sheets. Okay, then how can I
Okay.
I can't memorize everything, right? In sheet number 3, I have ship mode wise quantity. In sheet number 2, I have subcategory wise profit. I need to name the sheets as well, right? So how can I name it? So okay, now this sheet is nothing but segment wise sales. So I have to double click on the sheet and I need to write what? This is nothing but segment wise sales.
Sale.
Okay, again come towards the sheet number 2. Come here also I don't have this title. Why? Because if I give title to this sheet, if I rename this sheet number 2 below, it's nothing but what? Subcategory wise profit. If I press enter, you will see my title get edited automatically. Same, so you have to write ship mode voice quantity. Again, my title get edited automatically. Okay, clear? Okay, so let me just do one thing. If I edit title, let's say sale. Okay, this is nothing but sale. Okay, sale. Okay, so I edited the title, right? Look, same only. And my title is different. Here, what I have done, what I haven't given any title to it. I just edit the sheet name. That's why it get edited automatically. Okay, if you edit your title, then it will remains the same only.